Yeah, good morning everyone. Myself Ramesh. Now I am going to explain about acids, bases and salts. So what are acids? Acids are sour to taste and they are turned the blue litmus to red litmus paper. So acids, you can see the acids example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. These are the examples of different kinds of acids seen in our lab. And what are the bases? Bases are bases are soapy in nature. So, for example, if you see in our daily life, you can see the soaps. If you touch means it will stick to your hands. So they will red litmus. It will turn the red litmus to blue. So that means they are not only this, and you have to know about the salt also. Salt. So salts are, you can see the sodium chloride. The formula is NaCl. So these are the different kinds of salts you can see in our surroundings. For example, if you see the salt is NaCl. So, and not only this, there are many natural materials like litmus, extract of red cabbage, turmeric solution, and extract colored metals and sunflower content molecules. So there are different kinds of natural litmus paper and natural things, and we can see. So for example, if you see one activity is there, in that you can see what are acids and what are bases and what are the salts. We can identify very easily. So for example, if they are giving some materials like a sodium chloride, HCl, or H2SO4, or some bases like sodium hydroxide. So like that we have a different kind they are giving. So how can you identify? With the help of the litmus paper we can identify very easily. So for example, if you have to test with the litmus paper, what will happen? If the blue litmus paper turn red means it will become into acid. For example, if you touch any substance like sodium hydroxide, what it will happen? The litmus paper turn into blue color. Then it is known as bases. So like that, a neutral solution will be zero only. So on the pH scale, we can see that there are lot of difference you can see on the pH scale. So in this chapter you will learn about what are acids and what are the bases and what are the salts. So there are different kinds of acids, bases, salts in our daily life you can see. Okay. So what is the properties? The properties of acids and bases are very different in nature. For example, if you see the acids, you can see the acid samples. What will happen? So, for example, acids are very harmful to our human beings. Yes or no? So, for example, if you pour an acid on your skin, what will happen? Our skin will burn. So, but you can see, so here there are so many possibilities is there. And you can see the soaps, example for bases. So soaps are very useful in our daily life. We are using soaps in our daily life. Why we are using means for face washes, all are soaps only we are using. So here in this there is one activity. Now I am going to explain that. In that activity, what reaction of acids, bases and metals. So first what you have to do is, first of all you have to take one beaker hydrochloric acid. In that you have to take zinc granules, and you have to pour some HCl in that acid. After pouring, what will happen? Through the delivery tube, automatically what H2 gas will be released in this laboratory. So H2 gas will go into the soap water, and if you how to test, you have to test with candle, then you will get the popcorn. So when acid react with the metals, then what will happen? Automatically we will get the salt and hydrogen. Acid is reacting with metal, we will get the salt and hydrogen. So the formula is 2HCl plus Zn. Then we will get ZnCl2 plus H2. So in this lab activity we learned that these are the different kinds of the, that means we will get the salt and hydrogen, we will get.